Hi there and welcome to my cruise packing video. We leave for our cruise in about 18 hours and I just finished packing, so I wanted to share with you what we packed and how we packed it. Okay, so this is where we're currently at. This is my suitcase and my carry-on. It's my husband's suitcase. I know his is purple. It's actually my mom's because our suitcase broke on our last trip and I kind of forgot about it and I did not buy a new one, so we need a new suitcase, so he's just gonna have to have the purple one. My suitcase is actually bigger, so. And then here's the stuff for his carry-on, and then that is my son's stuff right there, his suitcase and his backpack. Okay, so I'll just start with the suitcase and show you what I did and how I put everything in there. This is my son's jacket for formal night. I found that it's best just to kind of lay it right on top, and his suitcase is a little bit smaller so it fits better in mine. So that's that. And then I have shoes in a shoe bag. I am bringing a lot of shoes, probably more shoes than I need, but I hurt my toe, and so I'm kind of concerned about the shoe situation because I'm most comfortable barefoot. So I have 3 pairs of flip-flops, 1 pair of sandals, and then I have a pair of high heels. These are Kate Spade. They're like glitter heels. These were actually my wedding shoes that I'm gonna wear for a formal night. They're actually really comfortable and I love wearing them, so I'm bringing those. And then in here I have a pair of black sandals and just a pair of black flip-flops. And then in here I have my Tory Burch. I have the Miller flip-flop. I have them in black and in brown, so I'm bringing both of those. And then I have my Kate Spade crossbody. This will be good for the ship when I just want to bring like my camera and my phone and just need a few things. It is a little bit bigger, but it's so light and just easy to wear that it'll be fine. And then I have, this packing cube has a lot of dresses in it, both for formal night and just sundresses and day dresses. So for this trip, I'm mostly going to be wearing dresses. It's a 7-night cruise, so we're there 8 days, and then we're spending an extra day in Miami, and so I brought 9 dresses to wear, and then I have a variety of other like athletic clothes, and we're gonna be doing like zip lining, and so a lot of other active wear, I'll call it. And then this is my bathing suits and my bras and underwear. And then I have my brush already packed. And then this is the book that I'm reading for my book club, and I haven't even started it, and book club is like 2 days after I get back, the day after I get back. So I need to read this on the cruise, but I'm not gonna read it on the plane on the way down there because our flight is at 6 a.m. and I just know I'm not gonna like wake up and wanna read, but I'll definitely read it on the cruise. And then this is, I don't wanna call it like a medicine kit because I'm not bringing very much medicine, but it has like my daily contacts, my nasal spray, some allergy medicine, some Tums, Band-Aids, boogie wipes, some scissors, just kind of all those things are in there. And then this is my toiletry case, my hanging toiletry case, and I'm gonna go ahead and, I'm not gonna go through everything that's in here, but I do wanna show you because this thing holds so much, and I've talked about it a few times. I showed it to you in my pre-cruise haul, and I'll go ahead and link that up above right there. But it hangs, and so in the top part, I won't open it, but I have like a glass cleaner, like individual glass cleaner, and then those individual nail polish wipes. I did not have a chance to get my nails done before we left. Actually, they don't look bad, but this is like an Essie. This is this Essie gel polish, which I get like 5 days use out of it, and I really like it. So if I need to switch my nail polish, which I probably will, I brought it. Then I just have like toothpick, sunscreen, Q-tips. This is Body Glide. There's wrinkle reducer spray. There's Febreze. This is like Tide if I want to wash something in the sink. That's my Dr. Jart. My, what is that? Shampoo or conditioner shampoo. My nail stuff. There's lotion. There's makeup wipes. Toothpaste for my son. Toothpaste for me. More face lotion. And then the bottom part I have my toothbrush. There's 3 perfumes. I'm bringing 3 because I'm bringing them like in these little roller balls, which I've been loving because they're much less expensive, and it just makes it easier, I think, to travel with, but also I feel like I don't feel so guilty having so many perfumes because a lot of times my perfumes go bad before I can use them all, and so this way I kind of go through them. But this is Victoria's Secret Bombshell, and then this is Bronze Goddess by Estee Lauder. It smells like coconut and suntan lotion. And then this is Gucci Bamboo, which is my favorite perfume. It's the one that I wear the most. And then I have tweezers. Oh, there's my nail polish right there. Dish soap for my son has like a little sipper cup that he'll use. And then hair stuff, poopery, because, you know, they're tight quarters on a cruise ship. Avion spray, lint roller, and that's just more lotion. Lots of lotion, but we're going to be out in the sun, so your skin gets dry, and so that's everything in here. And then this is how I pack my sun bag. I really could use this, beach bag I guess. I really could use this for a carry-on, but it's kind of big and it's kind of stiff, and I don't really want to shove it underneath the seat because I want to kind of keep it nice. So I may end up switching it at the last minute, but that's where I'm at. And then inside of it, to keep its shape, is another packing cube that just has more of my clothes. And then I have my son's snorkel gear. And then in here are, I'm not going to open it up, but it is items for the advent calendar because we're going in December. And so we're not bringing the advent calendar, but there are things for my son for the advent calendar. More snorkel gear. Here's my fan, our travel alarm clock, extra wet ones. So that's really all that's in the suitcase. What's up here? Oh, I have my son's tie, our towel clips. My son has a hat in there, and then my little hair, it's like a headband to keep my hair behind my head, I guess, when I am washing my face. Now, what I have not thrown in here is my hat, because I don't know which hat I'm going to bring yet. But I am just going to kind of throw it in because I think the one I'm going to bring is floppy, and so it should be fine. Okay, and then this is my carry-on. I'm not sure how this is going to work because right now it's really, really heavy, but this is my Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM. So in here I have my liquids. I have I guess I'll just go through here. So I have a bunch of contacts just in case I might lose my bag. And then I have, this is the only foundation that I'm bringing, and it is Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. I don't need a lot of coverage, so this is like a tinted moisturizer that I really like. And then I have Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. And then this is a lipstick. This is that gonna focus? Pink chocolate. And this is Too Faced. I love this stuff. And then I have my, this is not Gimme Brow, this is the NYX one. What's it called? NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. Oh, this stuff, I love this stuff. The sugar, the berry, it's like a tinted, I'm almost out of it. I'm hoping they sell it on the ship. Let's see. It's like a tinted lip stain. It's like a tinted lip gloss. And then this is my concealer. It's Kat Von D's Lock-It. It's in L7 Warm. This is just a lipstick. It's Urban Decay, and it is Rapture. Kat Von D tattoo liner in black. Boscia, I think is how you say this. It is a, let's see, it says Porfecting White Charcoal Mattifying Treatment Primer. It's a great primer. Totally mats you out. Fills your pores. I like it. Punch Pop. What color is this? Pink Berry. It's a nice kind of like lip gloss. It's a little tacky. Shadow Insurance by Too Faced. And then NYX Butter Gloss in Praline. So those are all my liquids. And then here are my brushes. I recently got this off of Amazon. So I'm bringing my makeup in my carry-on because our flight is at 6 a.m. and I know I'm not going to do my makeup before we get to the airport, but I will most likely do it on the plane. So here is, this thing is really cool. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. So it lies flat, but that, or it folds flat, but then when you get to where you're going, it sits up. So you don't have to put your makeup brushes, like look at that, isn't that cool? It sits up in, oops. It sits up like on the counter or whatever, so you can see all your brushes. It keeps them flat. It's really nice. It's from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link it below. And then here's my makeup. I talked about this. I got this recently from Victoria's Secret. I wouldn't say I'm bringing a ton of makeup, but I am bringing more than I thought I was going to. I had this like all-in-one palette, and I test drove it this morning, and because like it had eyeshadow and blush and highlighter and bronzer all together, and they were really close together, and when I dipped my brush in for the bronzer, I got eyeshadow, and then I put it on my face, and I had to wash my face. It was horrible. So I'm just going to bring this all like my individuals, but this is Tarte 24-hour Amazonian clay blush in Portage. This is Kat Von D's locket powder. I have a big one of these, and I recently got this. I think it was a birthday gift, so I'm going to bring that. This is my favorite locket powder. This is just Tylenol. This is from Tarte. It's the, see if I can open it one-handed. Yeah. It's highlighter, and it's like 4 different colors. I really love this. And then, oh, these are just like from Boscia. They're like charcoal matting blotting sheets. Super old school here. MAC Studio Fix in NC25. And then this is just the pressed powder from MAC. This is a really good bronzer. This is Rimmel's Natural Bronzer in Sunlight. This is drugstore. This is Madison Reed, and this is like if you have grow out on your roots. Let's see. Open it one-handed. Hold on. There we go. So, like, if you have grow out on your roots, you put this on your scalp. It's like a blush, I guess. And it just makes your roots less visible. I don't have any roots right now, but I have a couple spots where I just have, I had broken off hair, and it's regrowing. So, I don't want to say I have, like, little spots, but so I need to use this when I pull my hair back to kind of cover some of the breakage spots. I don't have to, but I like to. This is It Cosmetics Ombre Radiance Blush in Je ne sais quoi. What else is in here? Oh, a little hair clip. Listerine. What do you call these things? The little fresh strips. Hair tie. A really old lip liner from Sephora that I'm trying to use up. You can't even see what it is anymore. And then I'm just bringing one palette. I'm bringing Naked Smoky because it really has everything that you need for a bunch of different looks. And they do sell makeup, and it's duty-free on the ship, and so I may end up getting some makeup. So then further in my bag is my camera case. I have some baby wipes to wipe hands and whatever else. I have my sunglass case. Oh, that reminds me, I need to bring some more sunglasses. These are my rose gold Ray-Bans, I think. Are they? Yeah. This is my jewelry case. This is from Stella & Dot. I will go ahead and show you this because it's amazing. It's really heavy because I did bring a lot of jewelry because this, I feel like, is the time to like kind of wear all your costume jewelry and everything. So I have like necklaces up here. I have some earrings. I just have like a lot of like really fun, like tropical, like look at this bracelet. Isn't that cute? My friend gave that to me. So just a lot of like costume jewelry that I'll be wearing on this trip. Some rings and stuff. Some stud earrings. What's that? More earrings. So I like to accessorize. I am bringing a lot of like really plain like navy and black and brown, and so the earrings and stuff will accessorize it. And I just like to bring this with me. I don't like to check this. Even though none of this jewelry is like super valuable, I just want to keep it with me. Then I have Altoids. These are my headphones. I do have earbuds, but the earbuds only last like 4 hours or so. So I always bring extra earbuds. I have a hair clip. I have gum. I have 3 like granola bars. I have, oh, there's my car key in there. And then I have a hairbrush. Oh, this is just cash. This is for tips and stuff. It's all ones. That's why it's like pretty big. I have tissues. I have Clorox wipes. What's back there? Oh, I put all of my like credit cards and ID and stuff just in here. I don't really need everything. My medical ID card. And then I have Purell wipes. And then I talked about this in my pre-cruise trip haul. This has our passports in the front pocket and then all of our cruise docs back here. But it's easy to see right here in my purse. Okay, and then here's my husband's suitcase. I am gonna have to put some stuff in his suitcase because mine is gonna be overweight. So he has my curling iron. He's also gonna get my flat iron. My son has dress shoes and he has like little tennis shoes. He's gonna be wearing sandals on the plane. And then I have this bag which has my son's, some of my son's sand toys. We're gonna be doing some beach time. so he needs sand toys. He doesn't need them, but it's easier just to bring them, and then we can always leave them if we want to leave them. And then here's my husband's carry-on. He carries all of our electronics. It's just his thing. I don't have to worry about it. And then he just has a neck pillow. He'll probably have his Kindle in there too. Oh, I have to put the Kindle in my carry-on bag as well. Yeah, that bag's gonna be pretty heavy. I'll have to see how that's gonna work. And then finally, here is my son's suitcase. We actually fit everything in the suitcase, so he just has a little, we got this at Pottery Barn Kids. It's really cute. It's really small. It's the smaller one. I wish we would have gotten the bigger one, but it's fine. He's actually gonna carry this on the plane. He doesn't want to check it, which is fine. So he has three packing cubes with all of his clothes in there, and then I shoved his little flip-flops right in there. And then here is going to be his carry-on backpack. He has his little neck pillow here, and then in here I have his Kindle, and then I have a couple of games. I don't think he's going to necessarily play these on the plane, but I just thought I'd put them in there. They're really more for the ship and things to do on the ship. So I found it's a little card game, Old Maid, which he loves, and then just some Harry Potter playing cards. He plays, he likes to play War. So I thought I'd put those in his bag. And then I have this little notebook. My son is in kindergarten and they did not send work home with him, but what he needs to do is to keep a journal. So I bought this little journal, and then every day he'll draw a picture of what we did, and then I'll write a little bit about it, or he can write something about it, and then when he gets back to school, he has to share it with his class. So I thought that was cute, and I got kind of a bigger journal because I thought that would be something nice that we can do on all of our travels. I kind of regret not doing that sooner. Okay, so that's my packing video. I can't believe the day is finally here. I feel a little stressed, a little overwhelmed because I didn't think I was gonna get it all done, but it looks like I did it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I have cruise vlogs starting next Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.